right, so we are going through a series of videos on financial definitions, and this is a presentation by Same Books. We help you increase your business value through sound and sane financial systems. And what we are going to cover today is definition of financial reports. So what are financial reports, what they are not, what they are like, and what is their purpose. Now, financial reports, you can also call them financial statements, are documents that provide a summary of the company's financial performance. And there are many elements. Obviously, we are not going to cover them here. And there are also different ways of putting financial reports together. So the key point about financial reports is that they require accurate and timely data. So accurate means that everything is categorized as it should be, and timely means that the categorization is done on time. And those two factors of timeliness and accuracy are vital. So what are they not? They're not something that you slap together and you try to manipulate to look good or bad for the government or to try to pay less taxes. Obviously, you can talk to your accountant for strategies to pay less taxes that are legal. There are many ways to do that. But financial reports, finagled, are not something that is based on someone's idea. They're based on fact, numerical facts, and they provide useful information. And here's this guy that says, I have been rich and I have been poor, and I've had accountants who could show me as either. So there are points when it's legal, there are points when it's not, but the point is they're not opinions, they're facts. They're based on facts. So when you look at your business and you look at where you want to go and your goals, business goals, financial reports are like the gauges of your vehicle dashboard. So if you don't have gauges, if your gauges are not working, you will not know if your tires are deflating, if you're running out of gas, if your battery is low, if your headlights are not working, or even what speed you're going. So running a business without proper financial reports is like driving a vehicle blindfolded, which means you also have to not just have financial reports, but you have to know how to use them. Now, what's their purpose? So they are a tool. They are a tool to make financial decisions and management decisions. And if you do not understand what financial reports are and what the components of financial reports are, you will make business decisions solely up to the level of such understanding. If you don't understand financial reports, your business decisions will be limited to that. Now, when you do have an understanding of the basics of financial reporting, then you have the foundation to build a business of value. So on one hand, you can make informed decisions, and then you can make sure that based on that, you increase the value of your business.